Hi, and welcome to another performance by the Sonic Pi ORchestra. This time I'm using 5 machines, a Pi top seed, there is a Raspberry Pi with a Pi sound board on it there, with that HDMI Pi monitor. There is a MacBook which is going to be in control of the whole operation. There is another Pi sound board on a Raspberry Pi there with that screen. And finally, there is an old iMac with a mangled screen which is running Linux, Ubuntu, and that is the final machine. That one, that one, that one, and that one are already running a live loop, and it's waiting for input from OSC messages, and that is going to be controlled by the MacBook here. If we zoom in on this, then up at the top there we can see, hopefully, a screen which I'm about to start running, a little script. Let's just move a bit further forward so that we can see that. And that is running a little Python script which is going to interpret some ringtones from the age of Nokia phones. The actual code for the music is in this file here. You can see a whole series of tunes, and these are using the rtttl format. You see Pig Panther there, Star Wars there, YMCA, Phantom, and a few others. And this script is going to turn all of those into a series of frequency and durations, which are going to be sent via OSC messages to the main program here. And that is going to then play them. And they're all sent by broadcast from the Python script, so they go to all of the machines. So we're ready to run. Let's just start the program running here. And we start playing the first one at random, which is actually playing a piece called Mana Mana. They're all very short because they're just ringtones. Here all the machines are in sync with each other. This one round here is going to play with everything down 2 octaves. You can see the -24 there. This one here is playing exactly the same notes down an octave. This one here is playing all of the notes to pitch. There's no change. This one is playing all of the notes to pitch, and this one is playing all of the notes down 2 octaves as well. In order to synchronize them, there are some slight sleeps in here because this machine runs faster than that one as far as latency is concerned. It runs faster than this one, which has the slowest latency, and therefore that has the biggest sleep in front of it. A bit more control we can do. If we don't like a particular song, then we can simply just rerun this program, and if I just uncomment a couple of lines at the top of it up here, let's take these 2 lines here, uncomment them, and then run again. It'll stop this running and start the next tune. The 18. Then She Loves You, Beatles. Let's stop that and go to another one. Bit of Mozart. Enough of Mozart, go to something else. And that's got She Loves You again. We've heard that, so let's go on to another one. This is an ABBA piece. And another one. Back to Mozart. It's just chosen at random, I don't know what's coming up next. Mozart Violin Concerto theme. So hope you can see the power of using Sonic Pi machines linked together via broadcasts so that they can all play in perfect synchronism. We'll just let this one finish and then we'll stop the whole thing from running. Stop it there. It'll actually go on running until that tune's finished. And then it'll stop. Thank you for watching.